Hi guys, happy Monday. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Today we're going to talk about understanding the keto diet, health impacts, guidelines, and you can find recipes on my newest blog. With its promise of rapid weight loss and improved energy levels, the ketogenic or keto diet has attracted substantial attention in recent years. Despite the hype, many are still left wondering what the keto diet really is, how it impacts health, and how to properly follow it. In this video, we're going to delve into the keto diet, its pros and cons, and I'm going to share some delicious keto-friendly recipes on my blog, which you can find on lifewellnessforever.com. So understanding the keto diet, what it is and how it works. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and very low-carb diet. It typically involves consuming 70 to 75% of your calories from fat, good fats, 20% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. The goal is to push your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where it uses fat rather than glucose from carbs as its primary source of energy. This is achieved by drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and significantly increasing your fat intake. Health impacts, pros and cons, and the latest scientific findings. The keto diet has been linked with several potential health benefits and drawbacks. On the positive side, it may lead to quick weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and reduce insulin levels, which can be very beneficial, especially for those that are insulin resistant, for those with obesity, type 2 diabetes, or prediabetes. However, it's important to note that while the initial rapid weight loss often seen with a keto diet, it is primarily due to water loss. I actually did a very clean version of this 2 years ago. On the downside, the keto diet can cause side effects known as the keto flu, which I've experienced, which may include headache, fatigue, and nausea, especially in the early stages. There are also concerns about nutrient deficiencies due to the elimination of certain food groups and the long-term impact on heart health due to the high saturated fat intake. Latest scientific findings are very mixed. Some studies suggest the diet can be safe and effective for short-term weight loss, while others warn of increased heart disease risk and other health issues over the long term. As a result, as research continues, it's vital to consult with a healthcare provider or a nutritionist before starting a ketogenic diet. So I did this, and I do very clean. I do more pescatarian now, so fish, eggs, chicken. I stay away from the high-fat red meats. So how do we follow this keto diet? When following a keto diet, the key is to drastically reduce carbohydrates. This means avoiding high-carb foods like grains, sugary foods, and most fruits. Instead, you should focus on eating foods high in healthy fats such as avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish, as well as moderate amounts of protein. Staying hydrated and getting enough electrolytes is also important to help prevent side effects associated with the keto flu. Even though the fat will be your main calorie source, it's still important to focus on the quality of fats, making sure they're monounsaturated fats, and I would avoid saturated if at all possible. A common pitfall to avoid is neglecting fiber intake. While many high-fiber foods are also high in carbs and therefore limited on a keto diet, there are still plenty of low-carb, high-fiber foods that you can eat, such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. So check out my blog for delicious keto recipes. There's a few in there. They're very simple, tasty, keto-friendly recipes. So while the keto diet offers potential benefits, it also comes with potential risk and should not be started without proper guidance. Always consult with a healthcare provider or a nutritionist before making any significant changes to your diet. As always, you can reach out to me, Cindy, at Dr. Cindy Ross, with any questions. Call my office, 251-949-2220. And again, you can find that blog with the recipes at www.lifewellnessforever.com. Hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you next Monday.